In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Teams account from your PC. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect at each stage and you can follow along on your own computer. First, open Microsoft Teams on your PC and make sure you're signed in with the account you want to delete. Take a second to confirm this because once you start closing an account, it can affect access to other Microsoft services linked to that same login. When you're sure you're in the right account, look to the top right corner of the Teams window. You'll see your profile icon there, usually with your initials or a picture. Right next to that, you should notice 3 small dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this menu, click on the option labeled Accounts and Orgs or something very similar. This section shows you which account you're currently using and any organizations or tenants you might be part of. It's a good place to quickly check again that you're acting on the correct account. On this same screen, you'll see a link or button that says Manage. Go ahead and click on Manage. This will open a browser window and take you to your Microsoft account management page. If you're prompted to sign in again, use the same credentials you use for Teams. Once you're on the account management page, look for a section called Account Info or Your Info. Click on that. This area contains your personal details and various settings tied to your Microsoft account. Now scroll down carefully through this page. You're looking for an option related to closing your account, usually labeled Close Account. When you find the Close Account option, click on it. Microsoft will usually show you some important information at this stage, explaining what closing your account means. This can include losing access to email, files in cloud storage, and other services linked to that login. Take the time to read these messages and make sure you've backed up anything important. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm you really want to close the account. You may need to verify your identity or acknowledge a few checkboxes that confirm you understand the consequences. Once you complete these steps, your Microsoft account, and therefore your Microsoft Teams access on this PC will be scheduled for closure, and that's it. You've just learned how to delete your Microsoft Teams account from your PC step by step.